Yeah, when we built the house 22 years ago, I didn't even know what kind of expectations to have. I knew it was a quality business, so I assumed they were going to do a good job. Yeah, they went beyond meeting our expectations. I mean, that driveway looks as good today as it did 22 years ago.
Yeah, people compliment it all the time, and they can't believe how old it is, and it looks like it was just done.
From a design perspective, I wouldn't have changed anything. They did a great job in designing, and it looks exactly the way it was described, the way it looked on paper. The driveway has needed no maintenance or upkeep. I mean, it looks as good now as it did 22 years ago, and we hose it down occasionally, and that's it. You know, obviously the driveway looks great, but one of the most pleasant parts of it was the installation. When we started building the house, and I'd heard about System Paver and talked to the design people, and we talked about various kinds of driveways, and it was suggested, let's do pavers, and it was obvious that pavers were the answer because of the freedom from maintenance, the fact that if something happens, they can easily be replaced, they look better, so that wasn't a hard choice, it really wasn't. Now, paving stones, I think, are the way to go for all of those reasons.